Solving equations with a radical. So there's always a couple steps that we have to do when we're solving an equation with radicals, and those are always going to be pretty much the same thing. First thing we want to do is isolate our radical, so get the square root or cube root or whatever it is by itself. Second, we need to get rid of the root, and so we're going to take each side to a power. If we have a square root, we want to square both sides. If we have a cube root, we want to cube both sides, so on and so forth. Okay, and then we just want to solve it out. And lastly, we always have to check our answers to make sure they work. So behind me I have a pretty straightforward example, and we're going to solve this out. Okay, so first thing, we want to get our square root by itself. So what we have to do is add 3 to both sides. Square root of x is equal to 5. In order to get rid of the square root, we need to square. If we square one side, we have to square the other to keep it balanced. And so we end up with x is equal to 25. Okay, common mistake is that when we square things, people want to put plus or minus. You square something, it always turns out positive. Okay, so it's just that one positive number, giving us x25. Then we need to check, make sure it works. Plug in 25, square root of 25 is 5, minus 3 is 2. Okay, so by going through our steps, isolate our square root, take it to the appropriate power, solve and check, we're able to solve any equation with a radical.